guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple recipe, and it's turkey wings, baked turkey wings. So we're going to get started, and first thing we're going to do, we're going to clean our turkey wings really good before we prepare them. So open the package. Okay guys, now that I have my turkey wings all cleaned, I'm going to go in with my seasonings, and you can use whatever you like. Some people sometimes use the sage or poultry seasoning, but today I'm going to opt for garlic, Himalayan pink sea salt, complete seasoning, ground paprika, black pepper. I'm gonna use some onions, and I have some cream of mushroom. So we're gonna season everything together. I'm gonna start off with pepper. Now you don't have to use a lot of salt because the cream and mushroom has salt in it also. And I'm only preparing for one person, so if you were excuse me, if you were preparing for a large group, you know, you want to season, you know, very well. Okay. I'm going with the garlic. And what you want to do is just massage it all in, all over. Get it all covered. Your season should look like this. And excuse the noise, I have some coffee brewing in the background. So rub it all in. That way your turkey wings will be seasoned all through when you start cooking. Now I'm going to put my onions in. You just want to layer them all throughout. I use 2 onions. You can use for a larger pan, you can use a little bit more. And get your onions all seasoned too. Okay, should look like this. Now I'm going to take my cream of mushroom and I'm going to dilute it with some water. And you're going to stir it up. I diluted it with water because it already has salt in it, so it may help take some of the salt out. Not all of it, but some of it. So I'm going to pour around because I don't want to get my seasoning off my turkey wings. So I'm going to pour around. And as it cooks, it's going to make its own, the turkey wing is going to make its own juice anyway. This is just going to add more flavor to your turkey wings. Okay, I'm going to pour the rest of the water in. Just a little bit. Okay. Should look something like this. I'm going to put a little more black pepper. I'm going to sneeze. And some paprika. Then you want to cover it with aluminum foil. Then I'm going to put it in the oven. My oven's already preheated to 350. Okay, so I got my oven at 350. So I'm going to put the turkey wings in for about an hour and 45 minutes and let them cook. Then I'm going to check them and come back and show you guys. Okay, so my turkey wings have been cooking for a while. Now I'm just going to baste them. And I'm going to put them back in the oven to let them get browner. They look good. Look at all that juice. Alright, we're going to come back. I'm going to let it brown some more. And then we'll be finished. Hey guys, so this is what your turkey wings should look like after it come out the oven. Browned. So you can brown it to your liking. I like mine a little dark. So this is how it should look. Happy eating.